Hello, Kilby Tigers. Today we're going to learn how to access our school and teachers' websites and navigate around our school website. So there are three different ways you can get to our website. One of them is through Clever, and I know you all have Clever badges that you can scan to get to a site that looks not exactly like this because this is the teacher one, but you have a student one that looks familiar. So if you go to Clever and scan your QR code, you'll be brought to a site that looks something like mine. Mine's teacher, so it's a little different. From there, if you want to find the area that says Kilby sites, and these are the sites that Kilby has access to. And then there's one that has a blue, like a navy and a blue book, and it says Kilby website. If you click on that, it takes you right to our website. Okay. Another way that you could access the Kilby website is just by typing in kilbys.pwcs.edu. And then it might be a good idea to bookmark the site so that you have it saved. And you can, if you're on a laptop, you can bookmark it by clicking on this star. A third way that you could find the Kilby site is just by Googling it, Kilby Elementary. And when you get to Kilby Elementary, you just click Kilby Elementary School Home. It's the one that has the PWCS for Prince William County. And there we are. Okay. Now the first thing here is that we want to select our language. So all of the things, now not the documents, but any text that's on the website can be translated to any of these languages. So if I speak Spanish, I can select Spanish, and now the website is completely in Spanish. So that's the first thing we want to look for. I'm going to go ahead and switch it back to English so that I can navigate it easily. All right, so this is the Kilby homepage. It's got important updates and information at the top. And then as we scroll down, we've got school news, district news, and then if you don't have a Twitter, but you want to stay connected to Dr. Waltz and the division and Kilby on Twitter, you can find the tweets there. So that's the homepage. There are a couple of things I want to show you on the website. The first of which is this PWCS home learning page. That takes you to Prince William County. This is the things that the district is putting out. So here, if you want information on the plan for the rest of the year, the home learning plan, that's here at the top. And then there are also resources. So schedules, links that you could use for learning with your child at home based on their grade band. And you can see there's things for the EL learners, languages, gifted, movement, music, arts, history. So all of the subjects are broken out there, and you can find resources for whatever grade band you need. And they have even more additional resources there. So that is something that you can get to from the Kilby website by clicking on PWCS Home Learning page. Okay. Now the other thing that's going to be important for you to know and be able to navigate is the class pages. Okay, this is where teachers are putting their lessons, their activities, everything that you and your child are going to need to learn for the rest of the year. So you can see we have lots of different teams and lots of different teachers here. So the first thing I want to show you is that you can get each grade level, and each team has a home page. So let's say I'm a second grader. I can click on second grade, and here is the information about all of the second grade teachers and any information that's pertinent to all of second grade. So I'm just looking here. This is everything for second grade. Now I can then click on my teacher. So if my teacher is Miss Bodmer, or Miss Dangle, or Miss Cleos, Miss Maroney, Miss Waddell, whoever my teacher is, I can click on their website to find more information. So you can see here's Miss Waddell and what her lessons for the week here. And then if we look on the side again, this side pane is very helpful for navigating. You've got links, so different links that she finds useful, and you just click on the little red, and I usually use hold down control and then click, because then it opens it in a new tab. Okay, and even within the useful links, she's got additional links um, that I can click on to navigate to. Now let's say I want to go back to her homepage. So rather than hitting the back button, which you absolutely can do up at the top, you can also just click on her name, and that's going to take you back to her page. Okay, so then maybe I want to know the files and documents that she's got. So here are all of the files and documents. Again, if I can click the back button, or I can just click on her name, and that will take me back. Okay. Um, I can also navigate that by doing here and doing class pages, second grade, Miss Waddell, and then clicking. So I can navigate using the class pages at the top or just on the side. Okay, so again, each grade level has a home page if you click on just third grade or just second grade or just first grade, and it's got information that's pertinent to the entire grade level. Okay, then you can click on your specific teacher to find out information from your teacher specifically. And you can see here, Mrs. Haynes, and then again, each teacher has links, documents, and a calendar at minimum there. Okay, so that's how you kind of navigate around your classroom home, your grade level and your class. Okay, and again, you can navigate by going, I want to go back to all of third grade, just clicking there. Okay. We have lots of other teachers in the building as well. So I navigated by clicking on class pages. Over here on the left are all the different teams that we have in the building. So for example, the ESOL team. So these are for all of our English language learners. Here is their homepage for the entire ESOL department. But then on the side, we have each teacher has a website as well. So you can see Miss Giannokos, here's the information from her. So you can navigate by teacher as well to see what they have available to you. And so that's our ESOL team. Again, I can navigate back to the team by just clicking at the top. Okay, another team we have in the school is the Encore team. So I went to class pages and I went to Encore. Encore is art, music, library, PE, health, counseling, and so forth. Here's their homepage for all of the teachers. Again, you can navigate to specific teachers by clicking on the left. All right, and you can move back and forth using this at the front. I'm going to give myself a little plug here and definitely check out the Title I math page. I've got a ton of resources here for any sort of math you might want to do, whether it be online, offline, puzzles. I've got puzzles and problem solvings links. I've got all kinds of games and videos and resources for you to support your child at home. So definitely check out my Title I math page. The reading team also has a page, again, with each reading teacher. Here are the 4 reading teachers and their documents. So you can find any resources that you need from any of the teachers just by going to the class pages and using this bar at the top or on the side to navigate to different groups of people, of whoever it is that you need resources from or whoever your teachers may be. Okay, and feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. You can either reach out to your teacher or you can reach out to me. My email is swaddles, SWADLES, at pwcs.edu, and I'd be happy to direct you. All right, have a great day, everybody.